Hello, in this video you will view an unboxing of a garage door remote. So I will open the box. This coming from United States of America by DHL, the company that brought to me. They needed my contribution card of information by tax, by the control of the transportation, and the copy of the order that I made and the copy of my payment. Three things that they need to deliver my remote garage door. So here we have it. Universal Chamberlain garage door remote. I will open. We can view that it's a little, the box it's a little open. I will cut it. Maybe it's used. And they put it in the box. Now let's see what we have here. Only papers. Let's open this universal garage door remote. Nothing, we don't have nothing more here. As we saw, this is a garage remote door for that it's compatible with so many motors. So here we have the remote, a clicker Chamberlain remote. It's a little bigger. I thought that it was small. And here, if you put it down, we can have deep buttons and another button to make the synchronization to the garage door. We can have two buttons to two different motors. Here we have some ring to put here. So here we have it. We can put it here in the car, and then we can only click in the buttons. We don't need to have wear this with the keys. So here we can see informations, how to programming, and that's it. Thank you for the views. Bye.